Right. So then basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. Right. So what is basic proportionality theorem? I am writing a statement. In a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side, in a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side, in a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side, it divides the other two sides. It divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So dividing in the triangle is nothing but what happens? We have to take a triangle. Suppose I am taking one big triangle. Okay, so that big triangle is nothing but A, B, C. Okay, so here I have one line DE is drawn parallel to one side. Okay, so now solution. So what is given? Proof given. So I go for proof. Given ABC is a triangle. DE is parallel to BC. ABC is a triangle. DE is parallel to BC. Next, required to prove RTP. What we have to prove? We have to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This we have to prove. So for proving, we have to do construction. So construction. What is construction? Join BE and DC. Also draw EF perpendicular to AB. And DG perpendicular to AC. Okay, right. Next, we have to apply the concept of area of triangles. So, what is area of triangles? Now, in triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE by in triangles ADE and BDE area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to half into base AD into height EF by half into base BD into height EF. Okay, above cancel, EF cancel. In 7
4 minutes.
Very good. Now area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to AD by BD. This is first one. Next, in triangles AED and CDE, area of triangle AED by area of triangle CDE is equal to pi half into base AE into height DG by DG half into base CE into height DG. So DG cancel, half of cancel. What you got? Area of triangle ACD by area of triangle CDE is equal to what you can get, AE by EC. AE by EC. This is second equation. This is second equation. Right now, 6 minutes.
5 దాటింది.
Okay, right. తీరం అయిపోయేంత వరకు పెట్టుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది.
అంతే వస్తుంది.
5 దాటిందా?
5
రైట్. నౌ మనకేం తెలుసు ఇక్కడ ఇన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ BDE అండ్ CDE ఇక్కడ గమనించండి. ఇన్ ద ఫిగర్ triangles BDE and CDE are on the same base and lies between two parallels. DE and BC, they are equal in area. They are equal in area. So therefore, I can say that triangle BDE is equal to triangle CDE. Okay, that is area of triangle. They are equal in area. So area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. So now this is third equation. So from 1, 2 and 3, I can say that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. And then by EC. Okay? Hence the theorem.
7 దాటింది. ఇక్కడ 3 minutes ఉంటుంది తీసుకో.
Hence the theorem. 8 minutes all. Hence the theorem. Okay. So in basic proportionality theorem, what he has given, ABC is a triangle. Okay, DE is parallel. Then we have to show AD by DB is equal to AE by AC. Okay, now right. And what is its converse? 8 minutes added. What is its converse? Converse and live. If this line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, then this line is parallel to third side. మనం ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్తున్నాం, if this line is drawn parallel to one side, this line divides the other two sides in the same ratio. If this line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, then this line is parallel to third side. Okay, so this is what about the basic proportionality theorem.
Head దాటింది.
Fine, for 2 minutes time pass it. Okay, just copy the figure. Okay, so two triangles are said to be similar. Okay, right. ఇప్పుడు ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకుందాం. 10 minutes ఆడేది. Now this is one circle with radius 2 centimeters. This is another circle with radius 3 centimeters. Okay, so now what happens? These two circles are similar. Okay, right. అదే విధంగా circles are similar. Now this is one triangle 2 centimeters. Sorry, this is another circle of 2 centimeters. Then I'll say two circles are congruent. So by this concept, what we understand? We understand that congruent figures are similar, but similar figures are not congruent. We understand that congruent figures are similar. Congruent in the
9:30.
Oh no, very good. Congruent figures are similar, but similar figures are not congruent. Congruent figures are similar, but similar figures are not congruent. Okay, right. ఇప్పుడు స్క్వేర్ తీసుకుందాం. This is also a square. 2 centimeters, 2
Nine.
centimeters. Huh?
25.
2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. Okay. So triangles with same sides are congruent. Triangles with different sides are similar. Right. Thank you all.